Hello guys, I'm Mir Sadek and today I want to talk about the Broxus Company and its fabulous products. What is Broxus? Broxus is a professional development company in the field of blockchain technology. It has created complex infrastructures projects like Bridge, Everwallet, Flatcube DEX, Octus Bridge. To using Flatcube DEX or Octus Bridge, you must have a wallet, Everwallet. Everwallet is the native wallet of the Everscale blockchain. You can claim it from Chrome Web Store, App Store on your phone, or Google Play on Android phones. And easily you can use it. It's look like this picture. What is Flatcube? It's a decentralized AM exchange that takes the best of popular applications such as Uniswap and implements them in the Everscale blockchain. You can swap your tokens here easily. You can invest on pools. You can use pairs or tokens defined here or farm here or build your desired token. But what is Octus Bridge? This video is about using the Octus Bridge, the masterpiece product of the Broxus, in my opinion. Why? Because the Everscale Bridge is a multi-network second-layer solution that links the Everscale blockchain with that of Ethereum, Polygon, Phantom, Binance Smart Chain, and much more. Here you can see the addresses of the Broxus Company Twitter, Everscale, Octus Bridge, Flatcube, Twitter. Follow them and you can read about Broxus and its products and read the latest news on the Twitter. For more contract, you can use Telegram channel of Broxus or Telegram chat group of Broxus, and you can communicate with the project managers. And finally is the Discord address of the project Broxus, and the fantastic team members are there ready to answer your questions and errors you must face with them. Okay, let's use the product finally. First, you can go to broxus.com, click on products and Octus Bridge, or you can directly go to app.octusbridge.io. Okay, here is Octus Bridge, our masterpiece. Cross-chain transfer is the default page. First of all, you must connect your wallets. For example, first Everscale. My Everwallet is connecting. Okay, connect, and here we go. EVM network, for example, MetaMask, and here we go. We are connected both wallets. Okay. Select the route. Step 1. Blockchain. Choosing, I will choose, for example, Polygon, and my MetaMask address will appear here. 2. Blockchain, the destination. Okay. I will choose, for example, Everscale, and my Everwallet address will appear here. And next. Okay, here in step 2, select token and amount of that. Asset token, okay, I will select, for example, USDC. Okay, maximum amount. Here it is a button, a radio button, that if you have no ever in your wallet, in ever wallet, and you must pay a little bit of fee in ever. But if you don't have that, don't worry. You can use this button, and the amount of gas fee will be paid from the uh, token you first choose. Because I don't have enough USDC, then I will turn off this button. Okay, and next, amount, the infinite amount or the exact amount. I trust this project, I trust this bridge, and then I will approve the infinite amount. But if you want, don't hesitate, choose the limited as the amount of your token you choose, and confirm. Okay, here is my MetaMask notification. Give permission to access your USDC on infinite amount, confirm. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, step 4, transfer status, awaiting transfer token to the Polygon vault. Transfer, push this button, and MetaMask will get the permission, okay, and will be paid by Matic. Here we go. It will be done shortly. Addresses are appear here from Polygon. My MetaMask address to Everscape, my Ever wallet address. Token USDC, its contracts will appear here, and amount USDC 1.68. Confirmation 1 from 450, and I will pause the video until it is done. Okay, 450 confirmations is done, and the next step is awaiting prepare transfer in Everscale. We push button prepare. Ever wallet appears, amount 6 Ever as a blockchain fee. We push send, and password of the Ever wallet must be typed here. Okay, and we must wait a little more. Pending. And in done, deployed. Next step is transfer, checked by relayers, and release transfer in Everscape finally. It will be done shortly. Okay, this is finished finally. In a few minutes you successfully swapped and bridged some tokens. For example, in this video, USDC from the Polygon network blockchain to Everscale blockchain, and we must check it. We could check it here. It's my Ever wallet. and we can see the transaction here. For choosing assets to show in here, you can use select assets, check the USDC and push the save button, and finally you can see that 1.68 USDC deposited to my Ever wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for following me in this video. Don't forget to follow Broxus on the social networks such as Twitter or Telegram or Discord, and I will post and write down the addresses of Twitter, Telegram, and Discord of Broxus in this video description. Thank you so much. Bye until next time.